We're back with a brand new Barbie line, Barbie Deluxe Style. When I first saw promo pictures for this doll line, I was so excited because they seemed like a spin-off of the Barbie Extra line, but more my taste in dolls. These dolls have more articulation than the basic Fashionistas, beautiful facial sculpts, natural gorgeous makeup, and super adorable fashions. So pretty much what I want in a doll line. So let's take a closer look. But first, let's look at the packaging. The dolls come in a pink box that is uniquely shaped, almost like a wedge of cheese. On the back is an image of all four dolls, plus an illustration of the specific doll you bought. Also, inside the box is an image of a closet in which all four of the dolls' outfits are hanging up. The packaging is very appealing and feels fancy. So let's get these babies out of the box. As always, we will start with the first doll of the wave, which is Barbie Deluxe Style number 1. She has a curvy body, and all of the dolls in this line have more articulation than a typical doll, but they're not on made to move bodies. I do like the added articulation, but I would have preferred made to move. These dolls were $20 on Amazon, which is only $5 to $6 less than the dolls from the Barbie Looks line, who are on made to move bodies, and I definitely would have paid that extra $5 or $6 to get these dolls on a made to move body. Deluxe Style number 1 has the same head mold as Fashionista 182, but she has a distinct look with a soft pink makeup look. I love the lips in particular. Number 1 has pink, wavy hair that unfortunately is that plasticky texture. Typically, I prefer more natural hair colors on dolls, but this hair looks good on her. She comes with stud pearl earrings that are not removable, a pearl headband, and a white statement necklace. I love all of her accessories. They go together so well. Her outfit is a metallic pink dress. It's form-fitting with ruching and a peekaboo at the stomach. The dress velcros in the back and has clear plastic straps to give it a strapless illusion. Especially with her pink velvet gloves, this look just screams old Hollywood glam, but make it Barbie. Her purse is a clutch with a Barbie $100 bill on it that really opens and closes with hinges. She's wearing white boots that also have a bit of a ruffle on the side to continue that theme from her dress. Barbie Deluxe Style number 1 has the same skin tone as the Yara Shahidi Made to Move doll, which unfortunately means she doesn't have any other Made to Move skin tone matches, and the Yara Shahidi doll is pretty rare and hard to come by. This means her skin tone is in between that of the Pearl Pants or Yellow Top and the Floral Bun Yoga Made to Move. But the plus side is she is a less expensive body swap option for any dolls in the Yara Shahidi skin tone family, although you will have to be okay with not quite Made to Move articulation if you make that swap. This doll is stunning. The various shades of pink and fabric textures of her outfit are so pleasing altogether, and the little pops of white keep the look from being too much. Initially, this doll wasn't high on my must-have list, but the more I see her, the more I love and adore her. Next up, Barbie Deluxe Style number 2. She's on an original body, but with the exciting addition of an articulated prosthetic leg. Mattel has released a few other dolls with prosthetic legs, but she is the first to have a knee bending ability. Plus, prosthetic leg can come off. I love that attention to detail, that there's even a skin tone foot on the end of the leg. And if that wasn't enough to make me want this doll, then there's the face that she has, the Taya face mold, first seen on Fashionista 200. Fashionista 200 is one of my all-time favorite fashionistas. I'm so glad we got a name for this face mold via the Barbie Style by Design doll number 2. She has gorgeous makeup with soft pink lips, and I love how it kind of looks like lip gloss. She has long, silky black hair that goes down to her butt and silver flower earrings. Her outfit is a bold top and bottom set. I love it when dolls have matching separates because it adds so much versatility. The ruffle on the skirt and the shirt are on opposite sides of the body, and a beautiful flower detail at the shoulder to continue on her theme. The material of this outfit is a soft, stretchy kind of t shirt fabric, and both pieces velcro in the back. These dolls come with several accessories, and hers include a bracelet and a pink translucent purse. The flowers continue on to these pink high heels. I don't think I have these in my collection, so I'm always excited to add a new shoe mold. Barbie Deluxe Style number 2 has the same skin tone as just two Made to Move dolls, the Orange Pants Yoga Made to Move and the Kira BMR 1959 doll. Personally, I wouldn't want to swap her and lose her prosthetic leg, but it is nice to know you have an option. Barbie Deluxe Style number 2 is a must have for me. She's so elegant and classy. I love her head mold and her makeup, and the fact that we get an articulated prosthetic leg. This doll is the complete package amazing. Doll number 3. She is on an original body and has the closed mouth Millie face mold. Millie does have a beautiful face mold, it's just that I see her so much that it kind of get repetitive. But this Millie not only has the closed mouth version, she also is looking to the side, which instantly raises her above other Millies. She has the typical blonde hair, but this time it's with a half top knot and a piece of hair trailing off to the front. She's really pretty. She has large silver earrings that can't be removed and a 50s style pair of sunglasses with pearls on the top. We can see more white pearls in her bracelet, and then she carries a little heart purse. She also has a silver Barbie necklace. Her outfit is one of the main draws of this doll. A baby pink baby doll dress with a baby t-shirt underneath. It's a lot of baby. The back has a giant bow, which is covering up the place where the dress velcros. The shirt and dress are in fact separate pieces, as are her silver fishnet tights. They are footless, which I kind of like because it makes putting the doll's shoes on much easier. Speaking of shoes, we see the bows and the pearls brought together in her shoes. I love these shoe molds. They're so extra, but with the simplicity of the dress, it's not too much. Barbie Deluxe Style number 3 has a common Made to Move skin tone, like the tall volleyball player, the marble blue pants Yoga Made to Move, and the pink pants Yoga Made to Move, as well as all of these dolls here. So if you want her on a Made to Move body, you definitely have options. Barbie Deluxe Style number 3 is a beautiful doll, but for me, the outfit is the standout here. The variety of textures and pieces are so cute, and even though Millies are a very common doll, they made an effort to zhuzh her up and give her such a good outfit. You have to get her with this collection. Though I would have loved to have found that rare Midge version of this doll instead. Still, she's cute enough that I'll keep her. Time for the final Barbie Deluxe Style doll, number 4. She is on a petite body, and as far as I know, this is the first petite articulated doll. She is, at least in my collection. We've seen Made to Move petite dolls, but not articulated. So a new body type is always a huge excitement for me. This beauty has the Dia face mold, which I feel so perfectly suits a petite frame. She has long braids with pink, brown, and blonde strands, and baby hairs painted on. And just look at her gorgeous makeup. The pink eyeshadow, the ombre lip. Oh, gorgeous. She comes with heart sunglasses with black painted lenses, which is a nice added touch. She wears a pink spiky bracelet and a quote-unquote ring that says Barbie and slips on under the hand. She has a tiny pink purse with a jewel detail on the front, and what a cute outfit. It's a two-piece set, again, always a plus for me, with a kind of feather / boa trim at the top and ruffles on the pant cuffs. The texture is kind of fuzzy, and both pieces velcro. Her shoes are platform heels, again with some cute details added like studded heels. Barbie Deluxe Style number 4 matches the blue basketball player, the marbled pink pants yoga mate move, the purple pants, and Barbie Deluxe number 7, which means you could keep her petite, though I'm perfectly satisfied with her current body. Plus, she matches all of these dolls pictured here. This doll is my hands down favorite of the line. There's not one thing I would change about her, from her hair to her makeup to her outfit to even her body. That's right, I don't even feel like I need to put her on a made to move body. She is so truly stunning. In closing, this is an amazing doll line. It reminds me of the Barbie Extra line with the added articulation and emphasis on the fashions, but personally, I like the Barbie Deluxe Style line so much more. The fashion is much more my taste and consistently good across these dolls. Plus, the Barbie Deluxe Style dolls themselves are beautiful and not as, well, extra, which I personally prefer in my dolls. Plus, the Barbie Deluxe Style price point is $5 less than Barbie Extra, though I would have been willing to pay more if the dolls were made to move. The dolls do have some pixelization, but it's not nearly as bad as most recent wave of Fashionistas, and I love the different textures across the outfits. That, plus the attention to details, makes this doll line feel more deluxe than Fashionistas, which I guess from the name was the goal. Plus, I adore how unapologetically pink these dolls are. Mattel must have seen the success of the Barbie movie and realized that collectors like Barbiecore. So to close it out, if you had to pick one, would you prefer the Barbie Deluxe Style line or the Barbie Extra line? And which doll that we looked at today is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.